These drawers in our kitchen have a terrible squeak. Here, check it out. So I went to the hardware store and I bought this. It's called DOOR-EASE, a multi-purpose lubricant. And basically the directions say clean the surface to be lubricated, use DOOR-EASE like a crayon, applying a light coat. So that's what I'm going to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the drawer out and then empty the contents. Okay, so I took the contents out of the drawer. So there's an empty drawer, and I look at the bottom of the drawer and there's no hardware down there, just this guide right there. So there's a hardware inside there, so I'm just going to take the DOOR-EASE lubricant stick and use it like a crayon on that hardware there. So I'm just going to take it like a crayon and rub it all along the hardware. Stick my long arm in here, get all the way to the end. I'm going to do as much as the hardware as I can on the top, the inside of the track. Okay, I think I've got quite a bit, and let's give it a go. Okay, so now I've filled up the drawer with all its contents. Now let's see how it works. I'm going to set this up, guide it through right there. All right, let's pull it out. No more squeak. So I've taken the DOOR-EASE to the other squeaky drawers, and now no more squeak. Success. Thank you for watching.